Jurassic Park captivated the world when it first premiered in 1993, igniting an unparalleled global fascination with dinosaurs. Audiences watched in awe as seemingly lifelike dinosaurs roamed freely across the screen, bringing long-extinct creatures vividly back to life. But beneath this cinematic marvel lies one of Hollywood's greatest misconceptions, one that has been perpetuated for decades, even as scientists tirelessly attempt to correct it. Today, we diving deep into Jurassic Park's biggest lie, something scientists have been exposing piece by piece. If you think dinosaurs looked, sounded, and behaved exactly as they did in the movies, prepare to be astonished. You've been tricked, but you're about to discover the thrilling truth. Let's start from the beginning. The dinosaurs of Jurassic Park are not actually from the Jurassic period. This might come as a shock, but many of the beloved creatures, such as the iconic Tyrannosaurus rex and Velociraptors, lived during the late Cretaceous period, millions of years after the Jurassic period had ended. Yes, your favorite dinosaurs weren't even Jurassic, but the lies don't end there. The most glaring deception that scientists have continuously pointed out is the appearance of dinosaurs. If you've grown up watching these movies, you probably visualize a velociraptor as a sleek, agile, scaly predator, terrifying, highly intelligent, and relentlessly aggressive. In reality, velociraptors were significantly smaller, roughly the size of a turkey, and covered in feathers. Paleontologists discovered clear evidence indicating that these ferocious predators were more bird-like than reptilian, completely debunking the frightening portrayal in the movies. Now, why did Jurassic Park get this wrong? Well, to Hollywood, feathers didn't look scary enough. Director Steven Spielberg and his creative team consciously chose to portray dinosaurs as reptilian beasts rather than feathered ancestors of modern birds. At the time, this choice was somewhat defensible. Scientific understanding in the early 90s wasn't definitive yet. But today, scientists know without doubt, dinosaurs had feathers. In fact, many dinosaurs were colorful and vibrant creatures, similar to modern-day birds. Moving on, let's consider another fundamental lie from Jurassic Park: dinosaur behavior and intelligence. Remember that nerve-wracking scene where velociraptors cunningly opened doors to hunt down their human prey? It's an unforgettable cinematic moment, but scientifically improbable. Dinosaurs, while certainly not unintelligent, lack the advanced cognitive abilities portrayed in these scenes. Raptors didn't communicate through complex vocal signals or hunt in strategic packs like wolves. Scientists have argued extensively that dinosaurs' intellectual capacities were likely closer to that of modern reptiles or birds, not mammals. Speaking of vocalizations, here's another fascinating revelation. The terrifying roars of the T-Rex are purely fictional. The iconic sound, a blend of lion, elephant, and even whale sounds, crafted carefully by sound designers, has shaped how audiences worldwide imagine dinosaur communication. However, recent scientific studies propose that dinosaurs didn't roar at all. They likely communicated using low-frequency vibrations or booming calls, much like crocodilians and large birds today. Instead of the spine-chilling roar we've come to associate with these giants, a T-Rex might have emitted deep, resonant, and less dramatic sounds, profoundly changing our perception. And what about size exaggerations? Jurassic Park undoubtedly portrays dinosaurs as larger-than-life titans dominating their environment with staggering size and strength. While some dinosaurs were indeed massive, think Argentinosaurus, one of the largest land animals to ever live. Movies like Jurassic Park frequently exaggerate their proportions for dramatic effect. The Dilophosaurus, for example, famously portrayed as venom-spitting and frilled-necked, was neither venomous nor frilled according to paleontological evidence. Its actual size and appearance were dramatically different, smaller, and far less threatening. But perhaps the greatest misrepresentation isn't physical or behavioral, it's genetic. The entire premise of Jurassic Park hinges upon extracting dinosaur DNA from mosquitoes preserved in amber. Scientists have pointed out repeatedly how improbable this scenario truly is. DNA degrades over time, making it nearly impossible to recover usable genetic material from fossils, especially those millions of years old. A landmark scientific study published in 2012 conclusively demonstrated that DNA has a half-life of approximately 521 years, meaning dinosaur DNA would degrade beyond recognition in well under 1 million years, far less than the tens of millions required to resurrect these creatures. Furthermore, even if some fragments of dinosaur DNA were miraculously retrieved, reconstructing a complete genome would be practically impossible without an intact reference. The concept that frog DNA could be spliced into complete gaps is pure science fiction. Real geneticists and paleontologists continually stress that resurrecting dinosaurs from fossilized DNA isn't just challenging. It is outright scientifically impossible with current or foreseeable technology. Another crucial error lies in dinosaur environments portrayed in Jurassic Park. Movies often depict lush tropical jungles teeming with dinosaurs in cohesive ecosystems. While some dinosaurs indeed inhabited lush areas, Earth's ecosystems during the dinosaur age varied dramatically. There were deserts, plains, swamps, and coastal regions. Not all dinosaurs lived in dense tropical forests. Portraying them all living together harmoniously in tropical island settings greatly simplifies and distorts the complex ecological realities of prehistoric Earth. Lastly, Jurassic Park films largely ignore the actual diversity and range of dinosaur species, oversimplifying ecosystems by featuring primarily iconic or predatory dinosaurs. In reality, herbivores vastly outnumbered carnivores in most prehistoric ecosystems, similar to modern ecosystems today. The constant portrayal of dinosaurs primarily as fearsome predators reduces the public's understanding of how diverse and balanced these ancient ecosystems truly were. Now, why does it matter that Jurassic Park got all this wrong? Isn't it just entertainment? Yes, movies aim primarily to entertain, but Jurassic Park's immense global impact shaped millions of people's perceptions about prehistoric life. Misrepresentations can reinforce misconceptions, affecting public understanding of scientific truths. Paleontologists have tirelessly worked to correct these misconceptions, using Jurassic Park's popularity to educate the public about real dinosaur science, evolution, and biodiversity. Today, thanks to technological advancements and rigorous research, paleontologists can reconstruct dinosaur appearance, behavior, and environments with remarkable accuracy. Exciting discoveries about feathered dinosaurs, vibrant coloration, diverse ecosystems, and realistic dinosaur communication are continually emerging, reshaping our understanding of these ancient creatures. In reality, the truth about dinosaurs is even more captivating and awe-inspiring than the fictional portrayal of Jurassic Park. Dinosaurs weren't simply monstrous creatures. They were incredibly diverse animals, adapted to a variety of environments, displaying fascinating behaviors and evolutionary traits that have shaped life on Earth as we know it. So, next time you watch Jurassic Park, remember, you're watching brilliant entertainment, not a science documentary. By understanding the real dinosaurs behind the cinematic illusion, we gain a richer appreciation of our planet's astonishing evolutionary history and respect for the incredible work scientists are doing to unveil the truth about these magnificent creatures.